Functions. A function is a mini program or a block of code that performs some tasks. Let's say you have a leftover Thai curry that you want to heat up. You then put the Thai curry inside a microwave, set a timer, say for 30 seconds, and then hit start. By the end, the microwave does its job. It gives you a warm Thai curry. In this example, we can imagine heating as a function of microwave that takes input as Thai curry, that is a food item, and timer of 30 seconds. The microwave doesn't start until we hit start button. Similarly, just like a microwave, in programming, we have a function with a name that takes some parameters that are some inputs and performs some task using those inputs and return us a value or multiple values. Now, if we create an analogy of the microwave heating as a programming example, we can have a function name of heat which takes one or multiple food items, some food stuff, and a timer, say timers in seconds, and then returns a heated food item. Now, just like a microwave, this function doesn't execute until we call the function, that is heat the Thai curry for 30 seconds. This is very similar to how we press the start button in a microwave, which does all the magic afterwards.